How to send photos in TikTok message. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can send photos in TikTok message, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Sending photos on TikTok messages is actually now possible, but you have to make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Now after you do that, simply open up the TikTok app and then you're going to see this type of interface where you just want to come to the inbox tab that you can find here. Now over here you can simply select any person that you would like to send a picture to over here, and right beside the send a message option you'll find a button there that says gallery icon. So tap on this photo like icon and you just have to select a certain photo that you would like to send, tap the send option, and then you'll be able to send them. This way you can send photos in TikTok message. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.